So guys, to fix this problem, you want to disable CSM mode in your BIOS. So first, we're going to go into our BIOS, go to search and type in reset this PC, click on it. Once you run this, next to advanced startup, click on restart now, and then click on restart now again. Wait for this to load, and now once you're on this, you want to click on troubleshoot, advanced options, and then UEFI firmware settings, and then click on restart. It's now going to take us into our BIOS. And now once you're on this, you want to disable CSM support. Now we're all using different motherboards, so it might look different for you guys, but you want to look for CSM support. In my case, I need to go to the BIOS tab, and I've got CSM support right here. I already have it disabled. So you want to disable CSM support. After you disable CSM support, you should now be seeing Secure Boot. Open up Secure Boot. You want to enable Secure Boot. Again, I already have it enabled. If for some reason Secure Boot does not let you change it to enabled, make sure you have it on active. And if you can't make it active, then you want to select Restore Factory Keys. Again, it might look different for your motherboard, but it's going to say something similar to this. You want to restore your factory keys. It should then let you enable Secure Boot, but make sure that you have CSM mode disabled from earlier. So now once you enable Secure Boot, go to Save and Exit. Save and Exit Setup, and then click on Yes. Go back into Windows, and then the problem should be fixed.